Hello friends, welcome to lesson 8 of free affiliate marketing tutorial. And in previous lesson we have hired a content writer to get a high quality content, and I have already showed you what things you need to check before approving that order. And once you are satisfied by all the check that you have done that I have suggested in lesson 7, and you can simply click on download and approve this order. You'll get a bottom anywhere here, and you can click on that and approve this delivery, and the writer would get the payment that you have made while ordering. So now you can simply click on show in folder, and you can right click and cut this article and paste it in your desktop. So I will not use this article because it has been ordered in past, and I have already used in my website. So I have made a demo article. So I will assume that this is the article that we have received from the content writer. So now we will post this article in our website, and we'll make it appear at the home page. So now let's start doing this. So for this I'll cancel this fever here, and now I'll go to WordPress dashboard. So you already know how you can visit your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, from the previous lessons. So now what you need to do is we are going to make our first, that is top 5 anti-aging cream product. We'll paste that article in pages. Now you may have ordered top 5 article related to email marketing or something like that, in which you have already included your you have already got your affiliate link regarding those products. Now what we are going to do, we clicked on page. Now we'll click on add new page, and we'll copy all of this article that we have received from the content writer. Now we'll visit our site and right click here and paste it. So once we paste it, it is our title. So I have already showed you about how you can correct these mistake words, and for that you need to use Grammarly. I have talked about that in previous lesson. So you can do this kind of basic editings, and once you paste this article, now you need to do, so in these are the products that I am going to make in bullet point, and we'll make this is the one product, top product, that will make it heading 2, and here is another product that will make heading 3. Is another that will make heading 3. We can make it heading 2 also, but we'll make it heading 3 for here. Now let's make it all heading 3. So I already have my top 5 products that I am going to promote. Now this is the article that we are going to promote, but we need to provide our affiliate link so that people can click on that affiliate link and visit the site of this product and buy there, and we'll receive a commission if someone buys after visiting. So for now we have not made sales image, so I'll teach you about making sales image after some while. For now let's publish this article. So we have published this article. Now you can click on preview change, and now our article seems something like this. Now we'll insert some images here. So it would be our sales image, and people will click there and visit our site, sorry, visit the related product site and buy the product from there, and will get a cut of commission. So one more thing, you what you can do is you can bold these headings. Let's bold it. Select it and click on bold. Sorry, B. Click on B and click on update. So because it is showing so thin text, that's why if you bold it, it would be in bold and it would separate the topic properly. So let's preview changes, and you can see now topics are separated properly. Now to make sales image, we can visit on Canva. So I have already told about you, I have already taught something about this Canva in past. Now we'll make our sales image in here. If you haven't signed up to Canva, it is totally free to use. However, they do have paid plan, but you don't need to upgrade to it. With your free plan, we can do very much things. So after visiting to the dashboard of the Canva, you just click on create a design. So once you click on create a design, click on custom dimension and put the width 860 and height 315. This is the minimum that you can use. Now click on create a design. So once you create the dimension, now it is 315 height and 860 width. Now what we need to do, we need to download the proper image of our product. So our first product is rapid wrinkle repair, it is also called Neutrogena. So what we'll do is paste this and write PNG image. So now we can go to this image section and see whichever image is best. So for me now this can be a best image for me to use. So I can just right click here and click on save image as. And I can click here in desktop and make it picture 1 desktop index. So now if you see in the desktop, it will appear here. So similarly you can download various images of your all products firstly. So I have already downloaded all the products image. As you can see here, I have all 5 products image here. So one thing is necessary, that you select the image that has either white background or no any background in them. Just like this doesn't have any background, it is simply the image of product, and this type of image is also called PNG. So you cannot find all PNG image, that's why it would be okay if it is JPG also, but be sure that the background is white. So once you do that, now you can visit Canva, and firstly you can click on here and upload. Click on upload and you can upload your first image. So our first image is uploaded. So now I can click on this and I'll put it at here. So now I can drag it from here and fit it to the screen. So then another thing that we are going to do is we'll go to elements and we'll click on see all. So there are not any image, sorry, we are searching for a outline. So let me see the outline where it could be. So here we can see it is free to use, so you can click on here and drag it to here and just increase the size. So now this you can, what you can do is, so it is coming upward, so you can just click on here and make this position backward, so that you can move this image a little bit here and there. So now you can again make this send this picture backward by clicking on position and backward. So now you can increase the size of this frame. So now what we can do is, we'll select this, we have selected our outline. Now we have selected our outline. Now you can change the color of this outline and click on green or any color you want. So it doesn't seems good here, so I will increase the color brightness a little bit. So okay, it seems perfect for me. So now what you can do is, you can search for another outline. So you can type is button. So it shows like this. Okay, let's type outline, or let's say square. Okay, so we can use this. We'll reduce it a little bit. So now I can change the color of this. Sorry. Simply click on here. So now it also seems green. Now you can simply copy it and paste it. So you can do Ctrl C and then Ctrl B, then it would be copied and paste. So now what we can do is, we'll now add text, this one, and we'll type buy now and space and to this kind of direction button, sorry, direction text. So now you can make it, you can do Ctrl A and select it all and do bold, and now you can decrease the size of this button. You can move it a little bit down also. So now again we'll do Ctrl C to this text and Ctrl B, and we'll put it at here. We'll increase the size of this text. Now we'll delete this text and we'll write something that this product is offering. Maybe they are offering a discount of 50%, so I can write 50%, sorry, 50% off. So this can be our sales image. You can change the colors if you want, it's your choice. You can change the color of anything here, but I prefer green for the website because it catches attention. And now what you can do is, you can change the color of the text, so you can make it white. So you can play with these things, you can see other website and have a good idea of what kind of sales image you can make. You can increase the size a little bit here, so you can do this. You can make, put it a little bit up. Now this is our sales image. So I, what I want to do is now is, so I'll change the color of this. So I can, you can change the color in both here. Just what you can do is just click on here. So we selected image right now, but we need to select this. So we'll click here and we'll change the image to something maybe green, or something maybe orange, something maybe yellow, but I will reduce the color a little bit. Okay, you can do like this so it can be more visible to the audience. So once you made it for one product, then you just need to do here, you just need to click here and this image will be copied. Now you can click here, so outline is selected, you can click on position. So we are making another image for another product. Okay, so we'll click here and click on position and click on backward. So we can delete this image now. Now we'll click on upload and upload another image, that would be image 2. And you can click on here and you can increase the size of this image, and then you can, so make sure that these product are aligned. After this it appears, so that's why if it is straight, then that's good. You can just increase the size here and click on position and backward. So your second image is also ready. Now maybe this have let's say 35% off. We can write that here. Now we can again click on here, copy image. Now we are editing third image. So we can click, our outline is selected, so we'll click on position and backward and we'll delete this image and we'll upload our third image. You can click here and you can drag it at here. So you need to make position this pic in a proper way. So I can click here. So everything seems fine, so I don't need to do any kind of backward or up, backward or forward in this image. It fits nicely. So now again I can click on copy and now we'll edit our fourth image. So in this, sorry, in this product maybe we have an offer of free shipping. We can write that. So if you want to make it capital, then you can just select it all and click here and it would be in capital letter. So now we'll select our 1 2 3 4. Now we'll select our fourth image. So I can simply increase it and maybe this have a offer of buy 2 get 1 free. So if this type of things happen when you are writing, you simply drag it a little bit and it would fit. So if you want to make it capital, just select all and tick, click on here. So it is also fine now. Let's see. So now again we'll copy for our fifth image and we'll delete this image. Just click on there and hit delete, it would be deleted. Now click on upload image and our fifth product. Now you can click on this image and you can bring it here and increase the size of the image. You can drag a little bit there. You can reduce this endings from here. Okay, so as you can see, there is a little bit difference between this white color and this seems a little bit black. So if that kind of discolor happens, then it is not good. So what we'll do is we'll try to increase it, and what we'll do is we'll drag it down a little bit and we'll click here and click on position and backward. So after doing that, it seems nice. So maybe this have a 10 sorry 10% off. Okay, now all of our image is ready. Now you can play with these things and make it more beautiful and more interesting. But this thing works, this images sales image works well in an article. So now you can click, because we are providing some offers that are provided by these products, which are extremely interesting for people who are willing to buy this product. So you need to put something interesting in the top and put a button below of buy now or shop now, buy now or shop now. And now you can simply click on here and click on download. So you can click on download. So once it is downloaded, it would be in zip file. You can click on here and click on show in folder. You can simply right click and cut this zip folder. You can come to desktop and you can make a folder here, some folder here, and I'll give it a name. You can paste that zip folder here, zip file here. Inside the folder you have pasted this zip file in this folder, and now you can click on it and you click on extract to. You can cross this and you're all sorry. You can click here, you can click on extract to, and you can just cancel it and you can click on OK. Once you do that, there will another folder will appear where all of your images are. Now you can delete this and you can simply cut it. Simply cut it and paste it here. You can even delete that previous folder. So our images are here now. So these are our images which we are going to use in the article. So now let's go to our article, and so this is our product and this is the article that is written about this product. Now you simply keep your cursor here and hit on enter, hit a enter. So hit one time enter and click on add media and click on upload files. And so what you need to do is, firstly you just copy this topic, I mean name of the product, and click on add media and click on select file, and this is our product for that name. So now you can paste this, sorry, you can paste that name in the alt text and title, and be sure that it is showing your full size, not medium and thumbnail. It should be in full size. So insert it into the post. So it seems so you can see it seems like something like this. So people will come to your article and they see this is Rampid wrinkle repair, and they'll see the product, and here is 50% off and buy now, and they'll read the article. Now if they are interested in this product, then they can click here and buy this product. So to do that, you need to place your affiliate link here. I'll show you that in after some minute. So now you can place your cursor here and hit enter. Sorry, again, you can copy this name, and then you can click on add media and click on upload files and paste that name in the alt text and title. Delete this too and put that here. You can put that here. This is the name of the product. So click on insert. So it is here now. Similarly, in third, so now I'll quickly enter all the details here. So insert it. So you can put the name of the product here, that you can do by yourself. So let me finish it, and then I'll show you how you can insert the link in that picture so that that link open in new tab. So okay, now once you do that, you can click on, so you can see here are long spaces that you can see. You can reduce this space here from here by hitting backspace. Just move your cursor here and hit backspace, so that it becomes a little bit closer. So everything seems fine. Just click on update. So now you can click on preview changes. Now your article seems something like this. So now we'll enter. So if we click here, nothing will happen now. So we will enter our affiliate link in all of these images. So to do that, you just need to visit your dashboard. So once you visit the dashboard, just go to pretty link and get the affiliate link from your affiliate network that I have already taught you how to join and get the link of your affiliate link from that affiliate network. I have already taught you about that in previous lesson. Simply grab your link, and then, so for now let's assume that this is our affiliate link, google.com. Let's see, this is our affiliate link, and now what we can do is we'll go to pretty link and click on add new, and right here it is our, say, product 1 P1, and you can paste it here. Your affiliate link, you should post it here, and right here it is product 1. So write the name of the product 1 and click on update. So this is the link that we have made, and you can click on copy to clipboard here and simply visit to the page that you just kept your image before some while, and just click on here in the image and click on this insert link. Click here and right click and paste. So once you do this, click on this setting button and click on open link in a new tab. Click tick mark it and click on update. So now make another, get the affiliate link of another product and say it is, write the name of the product here and paste your affiliate link here and write the name of the product here and click on update. Simply click on copy and click on the image and click on insert edit link and right click at here and paste it and click on the setting button and click on open link in new tab. Tick mark this part and click on update. So now you can similarly use all the links in these images and click on update. So once you do that much, just click on preview changes and scroll down below. Now let's assume that some people is reading your article. Now what you can do is, now if they are interested in this product or any other product, they can click on this buy now button, right? Now once they click on this buy now button, another link would be open and that would be our affiliate link of this related product. And if they buy from there, then you will get affiliate commission. So up to now everything is fine. Now one thing is important. Now this article should be in your home page, right? So if you check it properly either in another browser. Let me check it in another browser. So this is my domain. So if some people type this, then this article should appear, but let's see what happens. So let me paste it and see if that article appears in my home page or not. Sorry, that was not the link. So just either you can type your domain or just copy your full domain, that would be https and up to this.com, and hit enter. So now you see when someone visited my domain, then they didn't see any posts. Now if this is happening in your site too, so just don't check on which place you are using WordPress. Check in any other browser like Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, and any other browser. And if you see something like this, then what you can do is you need to copy this domain from https to .com. Just copy it and we are again in our WordPress dashboard. And now once you reach here, you just go to appearance and click on menus, and then we have made this home page. If you remember, in previous lesson we have made this home page, and here we have kept hash. So what we'll do is we can delete this hash and put our domain here. That would be from https myprofitablewebsite.com. Okay, so whatever your domain is, you can put it here and just click on save menu. So once you do this much, then if you check your domain, so let me reload it. So it is still not showing. Let's see. So let's wait. Okay, so it is still not showing. So once we have done that much, then one more step we need to do. I literally forgot that step, sorry for that. So once you do this much, okay, you just do it. It is important and you just do it. And then after that you go to setting, and then you go to reading. In setting you go to reading. So once you go to reading, then you click on a static page and click on this homepage section and click on this the review that have you have made, the top 5 product or top 10 product, whatever you made the page about. You just click on that and click on save changes. So I literally forgot about this step. I'm extremely sorry for that. So now you can just reload it and you will be able to see your article here. So let's wait and see what's going on. So here you can see I can copy it and then I can paste it here. So let me check it. This should not be like that. So let me put it. So okay. So what I missed was, so you can go to home page and just put a slash after that .com. Just put this slash after .com and click on save menu. And then you can see that your home page will start to show your article. Now if you people click here, then they will be redirected to your offer page. And if people buy from there, then you will get a cut of commission. Now in another lesson, I'll teach you about Microsoft advertising, and we'll do some basic setup there, and I'll also tell you how to get $100 free ad credit that you can use to advertise this article properly to get sales. And for today it is this much. I think this lesson has gone a little bit long, so you follow each and every steps properly and you'll be able to make a good amount of income in coming days. So for now I want to take a leave. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.